Hello everyone. Today I'm going to answer the question to how to control your own mind. And I will give you 2 breathing exercises to relax your mind and 2 main questions for you. So stay until the end to know about these questions and subscribe to this channel for more. So 2 breathing exercises to actually relax your mind, to bring you calm in a very stressful or difficult moment. The first one is the deep breathing, that is just like this. You breathe in, you're going to put your tongue into the teeth, and then you're going to breathe in, and then when you breathe out, you're going to do this sound. Okay, so This sound relaxes our mind, our body, our emotions, and it brings this state of presence. And the second breathing exercise is called the horse lips. So it's just like this. You breathe in, and when we breathe out, it's like this. So and this exercise really helps to release all the tension, the stress in this part of our bodies and here too. So if you're do it like several times with presence, bringing your mind to this moment, and the breathing exercises are such a great thing to calm your mind, to bring you to the presence of this moment and relax from stressful situation. And the 2 main questions that I'm going to tell you, if you like it until now and this is helpful for you, subscribe to this channel and give it a like or a comment that I really like to know about your practice. And we are going to the 2 main questions that you can ask yourself to have more a peaceful mind. So the first question is, what is stealing my peace? What are the thoughts, the emotions, the actions, everything that is going on in your life now that is stealing your state of peace? You will reflect on that, and after that you will ask the second question. Is this helpful to me? All these thoughts, these emotions, is this helpful for me? And actually, how can I change that? What are the choices that I can have right now that will bring me to my state of peace? And I will give you an example. So, if you're passing through a really hard moment in your relationship, and this is stealing your peace, what can you do right now to have your peace back? Is it having a conversation with your partner? Or is it forgiving this person? Is it forgiving and opening your heart to this vulnerable part of you? So that is a lot of things that we can actually think about and feel about and bring all this state to the body. Because when we come back to our bodies, we can actually come back to our state of presence. Thank you so much for watching until now. Every Tuesdays, I talk more about self-knowledge and consciousness. If you like it, subscribe to this channel, and I see you next week.